Okay, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this damn thing. Okay. Of course, got the instructions. Some looks like some stickers in there too. Ooh, yeah. And it looks like right now we do have all of our clamps for it, and looks like it even comes with bolts in there. So
thank God. How many times have you opened a package without hardware?
Right. Okay. Okay, guys. Here we go. Okay. Looks like it's for the cat. Okay. Well, you know what? Here, let's try to be gentle with her. Be gentle.
Oh.
Woo. There we go. White pipe. Dude. Look how big this thing is. Oh my god. Holy, okay. You know what? They're not bad. I mean, you look on the welds on these, they're not. I'm saying they're not bad. They're good looking. I like it. Pretty solid looking. I mean, Borla has been pretty good with their products. So
yeah, for sure.
I've had Borla before on my other Impreza.
Sad times.
Yes.
I miss that baby.
I miss it too. But we're
well,
going
let's be
up.
real. I mean, it's yeah. Enough said. Dude, those are big.
Right? Okay, there we go. Next one. Oh. This thing is going to be so loud.
It's gonna be loud.
Oh my god. And it's light too. Oh. So this.
If you guys are getting a little bit of wind, we do apologize. I totally forgot my windsock for my dead cat.
We're in Illinois. We get everything here.
We get. It might snow tomorrow.
Okay. What else we got here? Looks like we got this out of the way here.
Okay, here we go. Oh my god, dude.
Hell yeah. So, as you guys can see, okay, I'm gonna try to keep this on, that way we don't, damage the tips or anything.
Let's get a little close up here.
But we did go with the Borla S-Type cat bag. So this thing should be pretty rowdy. Now, I will say that this is definitely, I've seen some of the mufflers that comes off these things, and they're huge. They're about that big. So having it that small, this thing's gonna be rowdy.
Yeah, for sure.
Love it.
I can't wait to hear.
And as you guys can see, I did go with the dual tip. I kept it quad tip. So we could go, we could go one exit, but it just looks better on the car.
It does look better. Adds more horsepower, just kidding.
Right? Oh, what's that? It's those stickers. The stickers are five horsepower right there. Okay,
every sticker you add.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at. See how it's even angled different. That's weird. That's cool though. I like it. Ooh. Okay.
The sun's coming out, thank God.
Coming out to say hi.
Even the sun's like, hey, nice exhaust.
Right? Okay. So, I think.
Is that all foam?
I think it is. After this. Oh, sorry. Yep, that's it. Okay. Oh, here, let me, I guess let's go ahead and lay it out real quick. Let's see what she looks like here. So, get the white pipe. Probably like this. Nope, pressing up. There we go. Watch out for that metal.
Oh my God. This is insane, guys.
Oh, I'm going to get in so much trouble with this. Oh my god.
You ready to get pulled over, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, so if you can come and explain actually what you're going to be doing now.
Well, so what we're going to do is actually, we got everything laid out right now so we know what positions we're looking at. What we're going to do is actually go ahead and put the car up on ramps, and then we're going to go ahead. Right now I think the exhaust might be a little warm right now, so we might let it cool a little bit longer. But I'm thinking after that, we'll go ahead and find the tools, get all the sockets ready, impacts and everything. After that, we should be ready to rock and roll.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah. That was an unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. So we're gonna do a double upload actually today. So we're gonna try to. What we're gonna do is we unboxed it for you. That next video you watch is gonna be us installing it before and after and all that stuff. Keep tuned in real quick because we do have a surprise in the bag that we did actually not see until now, which it's a pretty good surprise. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. And there's leaves flying everywhere. I am sorry. And we'll see you in the next one, okay? Peace.
Bye.